नमस्ते, म कुमारी तामाङ। यहाँहरू सबैजनालाई तामाङ किचनमा स्वागत छ। आज म सबैजनाको फेभरेट, सबैजनालाई मनपर्ने, बच्चाहरूलाई पनि मनपर्ने, ठुलो मान्छेहरूलाई पनि मनपर्ने, सबैजनालाई मनपर्छ होइन। तपाईँहरूलाई चाहिँ मनपर्छ कि पर्दैन प्लिज कमेन्टमा बताउनुहोस्। मनपर्यो कि परेन, तपाईँहरू बनाउनु भयो कस्तो भयो। घरमै बसिकन तपाईँ रेस्टुरेन्टको जस्तै गरिकन मालपुवा र रबडी खान सक्नुहुन्छ है। तपाईँ गाडी भाडा पनि बच्यो, तपाईँको समय पनि बच्यो, घरमै बसेर मिठाई पनि खान पाएँ र तपाईँको पसल गएर खाएर आइन्जेलको समयमा तपाईँको मिठाई पनि रेडी हुन्छ, त्यति धेरै टाइम पनि लाग्दैन। प्लिज मेरो भिडियोलाई सब्सक्राइब र सेयर, लाइक, कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस् र यस्तै रेसिपी ट्राई गर्नुहोस्। Hi guys, welcome to Tamang Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a really famous sweet dish that is Malpua with Rabri. It's really famous all over Nepal and India. We love to eat Malpua when there is a festival or some gathering. Anytime we love to eat Malpua with Rabri. Please try this recipe guys. For the rabri, I have taken milk, fresh full cream milk, and chopped almond, chopped pistachio nut, some saffron I have soaked in the milk, and quarter cup of sugar. To make malpua batter, I have taken 1 cup and little bit of all-purpose flour or maida. And to this, I am going to add soda bicarbonate quarter teaspoon, baking powder quarter teaspoon, and I am going to use milk to make batter. Mix it nicely. Now I'm going to use sugar. I have taken quarter cup of sugar. You can adjust how much sweet you want guys. You can totally up to you guys how much sweet you like to eat. Now use milk little by little and then make smooth batter. Guys, to make batter it will take time 2-3 minutes. Have patience and do same like this. You can see whatever you feel comfortable, a spoon or anything, you can use it and make it smooth batter. We don't want any lumps. We need not thick not thin batter. Guys, now add another batch of milk. Guys, at this time you need to adjust the consistency of batter. You can make how thick malpua you want as per your like. For me, not thick not thin batter I have made. You can see guys. Now let's check the rabri. I have changed the pot guys. Now milk is really less. Guys, you need heavy bottom pot, otherwise milk will be burnt and then we don't want that burnt smell in rabri. Now add sugar. Now at this time how much sweet you want guys, adjust to your like and add sugar. Now add cardamom powder. chop almond, chop pistachio nut, saffron. I have soaked in the milk. Not much. Now saffron will change little bit of color. You can see yellow color. I'll cook for 1 minute. Guys, for the rabri we need not thick, not thin rabri. We need really like a cut consistency. Now you can see how thick milk is. When the this rabri is chilled, then will be really nice to eat with malpua. I'll keep in the refrigerator so that cools really fast. Guys, rabri is ready. Now I'm going to garnish and keep in the refrigerator. Now let's make malpua. I have taken ghee. Now adjust how much big you want malpua as per your like, and then put batter. You take one big ladle or half ladle. I have a small ladle, so I'm using that one. And I make a medium size malpua, not big, not small. Guys, it will take 2-3 minutes one side and 2-3 minutes one side. Both sides around 6 to 7 minutes. We cook medium flame. One is ready. Guys, you need to press little bit so that cook inside really nicely. Guys, I use less ghee, that's why I'm doing like this. If you put more ghee, then it will be deep malpua, and then no need to do like this. You can use oil also if you prefer oil, but I'm always cooking in ghee, so I'm using ghee, guys. Whatever you like, it's perfect. Be careful, guys. I'm using a spoon also sometime when malpua is flipping. Thank you everyone watching my video. Please keep watching my video until end and enjoy this malpua with rabri. Let me know how is your rabri and malpua turn out in the comment section below, and see you next time with next recipe. Please share, subscribe, like, comment. I love to see comment, guys. I love to see comment. I love to see comment. सम्पूर्ण नेपाली दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनी साथी भ्युअर्सहरु सबैजनालाई म यही भन्न चाहन्छु, तामाङ किचनको लागि एकदम सपोर्टको जरुरी छ। प्लिज सपोर्ट गरिदिनुस्, सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनुस्, लाइक गरिदिनुस्, शेयर गरिदिनुस्। सब्स्क्राइब गरेर बेल आइकनलाई प्रेस गर्न नबिर्सिनुस्। र सब्सक्राइब लाइक सेयर कमेन्टको लागि कुनै चिजको लागि पनि 1 पैसा नि लाग्दैन। प्लिज नडराइकन सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनुहोस् होइन र सपोर्ट गरिदिनुहोस्। मेरो रेसिपी ट्राई गरेर हेर्नुहोस् र मलाई बताउनुहोस्, कमेन्टमा बताउनुहोस् या फेसबुकमा कुमारी तामाङ सर्च गरेर तपाईँ बताउन सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँले बनाउनु भएको रेसिपी कस्तो भयो भनेर। र तामाङ किचनको लागि सपोर्टको जरुरी छ, प्लिज सपोर्ट गर्नु। Malpua with Rabri is ready to serve, guys. Please try this recipe. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for watching.